Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and after today's price movement, updates certainly need to be made. Nice movement. Granted, it was somewhat of a gap and trap on the day, not kind of. It was a gap and trap, meaning that on Wednesday, the price closed right there. This morning, the price opened right there, hence the gap up. And then after the openings, bell rang, the price moved up here. Some poor souls were buying up around there. And then from that point, back down it went. Now, it's not like the price totally crashed or anything like that, as you're about to see. The overall chart still made progress. But today, individually, could be summarized as a gap and trap. But nonetheless, let's get rid of that line down there. It served its purpose for now. But the big update that comes into play and a level that you'll want to watch, and a lot of people will be watching on Friday, is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right here at this 875-ish mark is now what I would definitely consider as the level of support. So watch that going forward. And that's not, a do or die level. I mean, if the price falls below there, does that mean the entire chart is now destroyed? No, absolutely not. A more so important level from the bigger picture would be down here. That pink line right there, the 200 period moving average, which is valued right now at right around 665. But like I said, that's kind of irrelevant right now because the price isn't even really that close to breaking down below the 875 mark. But those would be the two key levels of support going forward. As far as areas of resistance, to me in the near term, it's all about that resistance trend line right there, which represents the selling pressure that essentially showed up all day long. And if the price can get a good high volume break of that, then the next key level of resistance to keep an eye on would be this area right up here around 1175, give or take. But first step, one priority at a time. Let's see if the price can get up above that resistance trend line right there. One day left this week. It'll be interesting to see how the whole week closes out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.